Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. Here we have the Audi A6 Saloon on a 68 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can see it's a four-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off firstly inside the boot area of the car. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space as well, which can be increased by folding down any of those three rear seats, should you wish to do that. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car. And then, as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, you can see firstly, the alloy wheels are in fantastic condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around the vehicle. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. On that far left-hand side, we have the coolant temperature gauge, then the rev counter. Over on the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the centre, you can see the total miles of this car. They are 92,369. You can change the information displayed above that using buttons on the steering wheel. So we have a satellite navigation menu. We have our main driving data menu as well. And you can see all these bits of trip computer information and that digital readout for the speedometer. We have our audio menu here and then back around to the satellite navigation again. If we back out to the steering wheel, the buttons I was just using are here. You can use the view button to change the display setup just here. Over on the right hand side we have stereo and phone controls. We have cruise control and speed limiter on this stalk, and then into the center the first of two screens with this car. So this one being our kind of entertainment screen. It's where you'll access your radio amongst other things. So up here you can see we got our DAB and FM radio available. You can adjust the volume using controls on the steering wheel. Go back out to the home screen. To listen to your own music, go into the media heading, and then you've got, as you can see, SD memory card, USB input. You can connect up your smartphone. You can stream music wirelessly via your phone once it's paired. Pairing your phone is easy, just follow the telephone heading there. We have satellite navigation, really nice clear colour display as you can see, a very easy system to use. Back out you can pair up your phone for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. And then we have our car kind of setup and settings menu. You can also swipe through for other menus available on this system as well. And when I put the vehicle in reverse, you can see the full color reversing camera. The second screen for this car is directly below the first one. And this is where you can control your passenger temperature, driver temperature, fan speed up and down. You can determine what direction you'd like the air distributed in for the driver and for the passenger. You can turn your air conditioning on, which I've just done. Same button will turn it off again. You could, if you wish to, hit auto. Now, the car is taking control of fan speed and direction of the air for me as the driver. You can manually override that whenever you wish to. Put it back in your own settings on here. We've got a heated driver's seat with 3 different heat settings, and the same for this passenger side as well. You can change the driving setup of the car. We can turn our traction control on and off. We have our hazard warning lights. The main volume for your stereo is just here. Of course, you've got the controls on the steering wheel. You can control and change your camera setup and parking sensor options here. This is the button that starts and stops the engine. You just need to make sure the key is in the car with you. We have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, and it will show you what gear the car is in. Electronic handbrake with an auto hold function, and in here 2 cup holders, and as I said, you just need to make sure the key is in the car with you so that you can start it. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. Similarly, we'd be more than happy to do a live bespoke video tour as well.